Just like paper and pencil tests, computer-based tests are comprised of questions, or items, as assessment professionals call them. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create one of the most popular item types, multiple choice. First, go to Items on the Assessment Builder bar at the top and choose the folder in which you want the new interaction to reside. You can create a new folder at any time by clicking on the New Class icon. Next, create a new item, give it a name, save, and move on to Authoring. The Library panel on the left shows you all the QTI interaction types you can create using TAO. They are grouped by categories, from common to custom interactions. To create a multiple choice interaction, just drag and drop the choice icon onto the item canvas. Then simply start typing in your question, followed by your answer choices. TAO offers 3 choices by default. You can of course add more, or go with fewer if you prefer. To define the correct response, go to the Response tab and select the right answer. If you prefer to assign points to each answer instead, you can do so with Map Response and simply fill in the point scores for each individual response. Now that you've successfully created a new item, don't forget to save and get a preview. If you are happy with the results, congratulations, you are done. Remember, this is just one of many QTI item types that TAO supports. Make sure to check out the rest.